how to get patient reference for home visit. One of the best ways to patient, or you can tell your physio friends, or you can inform in the community of the students that I am working in this area. If you get any patient in this area, you can give it to me, the patient, or you can talk to the consultants in that area, or you can have an online Practo account or Just Dial account or Quicker account. So here I am talking about two formats. One is a free account, one is paid account. On Practo and Just Dial, you can have a free account. Your name will be listed there, your information will be listed there, but your phone number is not listed there in free account. This free account you can use to get your name in public, or on there you can declare what is your charges on public platform. So because as I said in previous slide, that you need to declare your charges in public. So in the Practo account you can write home visit and services provided is home visit for per session. This is the charges, and if you say the distance is the factor, you can write that extra for distance related extra expenses, something like that. You can write that, but basic format of charges has to be declared. Or if you have a if you want to buy a paid account, the Practo is a very good software you can use, or you can use a Just Dial software also. I am using Practo software. Last year it cost me around 15 to 16,000 for a year. And the beauty with this Practo software that you can set appointment. It always gives the or it sends a message when you book, and it also gives the reminder to the patient 1 hour before you go to the visit. So it does mechanical work for you. And also here you can write down when you reach the patient, when you are engaged with the patient, when you complete the patient, everything can be fed into the software, and this does the documentation. In the software you can also have an assessment format. The scales can be written, the treatment can be written, daily notes can be written, and also you can send a copy of this with the patient's relative. And also you can use this software for generating invoice and bills also. So if you buy a Practo software or some other software like this, I'm using Practo, that is why I'm telling you this, but there are other software also which are available in market you can use for generating assessment sheets, as well as billing and invoices also. Or you can use a website. You can use a paid website, or you can create a free website. So how to create a free website? You can use websites called as blogs. So you can use WordPress and Blogspot, which are free website. It can be a landing page where you can talk about your information, what are the services provided, what are the common charges, or what are your terms and conditions can be declared on the WordPress or Blogspot. So I have both the WordPress and Blogspot. For many years I used it free of cost. Nowadays I have bought a paid version of WordPress also, a yearly subscription. I think the yearly subscription for WordPress last year cost me around 4,000 rupees. So you can again check on that. I may be wrong here, but that is why I think last year it cost me 4,000 rupees. And if you have a company registered, you can get the payment of your website done through the company. Or you can use social media account to advertise your name. Or you can use this Practo paid software, or Just Dial paid software, or you can create your own commercial website which can give you appointments also. But the website generation is cost very much. Minimum cost to create your own website is around 2 lakh rupees for a proper functioning website. Or there are a lot of small website format, like there is, I think, something called as mydaddy.com. There are a lot of websites nowadays available which will create a personalized website for you at a lower cost also. So thank you. This is the end of the lecture. If you like our videos and want to learn more about business in physiotherapy, please do like and subscribe and press the bell icon for notification. Usually our lectures are always on Tuesdays around 9 p.m. on physiopreneurship, or I call it the entrepreneurship in physiotherapy. This is the website I have created on WordPress. It is called as www.physiopreneur.in. Again, this is a WordPress website which is free of cost, and through that I am sharing the information with the people. Or I already shared the email iphysiopreneur@gmail.com. So if you want to contact, you can contact me on that email also. So this is the end of the lecture.